I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at using the Bissell Little Green carpet cleaner for something I think it's great at, which is cleaning the carpets in your car. So you can see I've got kids. The back of my minivan gets pretty dirty, and this is a combination of the cleaner and kind of a vacuum, essentially, a liquid vacuum. So I've got my cleaning solution in here. I've got a power cord connecting this to my outside outlet. Important to use a grounded outlet. Now we're just going to switch this guy on. And we're going to spray, and I like to spray down the stains first, kind of get those nicely soaked. And then we're going to start to work our way in. And you can see it's pulling that liquid back out along with the dirt. And you really want to get in there and scrub. See all that stuff just getting sucked out of the carpet. And if we switch it off, you can see liquid's going in there. It's pretty gross. And take a look at the carpet here where we just cleaned. It's not perfect, maybe. You have to do maybe a couple passes if it's really worked in, but it looks pretty good compared to that. So like that's essentially the after section along here, which is fairly clean, where I was just doing it, and then that's the before, what we're gonna get to there. So, you know, spilled milk, stuff that gets mushed into the carpets. It's not 100%, there's still like a little bit of, you know, staining and things there. Maybe with a couple passes it would get it out, but it gets out those smells. It does a really good job of getting a lot of that dirt and dust out, maybe between, you know, detailings. Or I let this sit for a long time. If you clean up the spills proactively, you can really do a great job with this Bissell Little Green. I think it's a great tool for keeping your car carpets clean. You don't have to take the floor mat out and like shampoo it and let it dry. You can just do it. I would leave the doors open so it doesn't get, you know, musty or anything. But even because it's pulling the liquid back out, even after doing this, this is not that wet anymore. Unlike when you shampoo the carpets and you have to give it a day or two really to dry, because it's pulling that liquid back out after it pushes it in with all the dirt included, it does get it pretty dry pretty quickly. So, you know, give it a little time with the doors open, and this smells much better already. I'm going to do the rest of my carpet now.